If you're trying to create a new Apple ID but keep getting errors like cannot create account at this time, don't panic. Here's how to fix it step by step. First of all, make sure you're connected to a stable and strong Wi-Fi network. Avoid using mobile data during this setup as Apple's server might block it. Next, restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix background glitches. Power off your iPhone or iPad and wait for a few seconds. Then turn it back on. After that, set date and time automatically. And to do that, go to your Settings app, then tap on General. After that, scroll a bit and tap on Date and Time. Here, make sure Set Automatically is toggled on. If the time zone is incorrect, Apple might block the ID creation. Next, if you're getting the error on your iPhone, try visiting appleid.apple.com from a browser on a computer or another device. You can create an Apple ID from there too. After that, go to Apple's system status page and make sure Apple ID services are up and running. If it's down, wait and try again later. Or if you've tried to create too many Apple IDs from the same device or IP address, Apple may temporarily block you. Wait for a few hours and try again. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.